Here's a fun geometry fact. In a 3, 4, 5 right triangle, the area of the incircle is exactly pi. Now let's make things more interesting. We can fit 3 more circles inside the triangle, each tangent to 2 sides and the incircle. The challenge is, can you find the areas of all 3 smaller circles? Pause the video here if you would like to solve it yourself. Here's a hint. The centers of all 4 circles lie on the angle bisectors. Ready? Let's work it out together. First, the incircle. This part is easy peasy lemon squeezy. We use the fact that the area of the triangle equals its inradius times semi-perimeter. In a 3, 4, 5 triangle, the area and the semi-perimeter are both 6, so the inradius is 1. That means the incircle has area pi. Now for the 3 smaller circles, instead of solving each one separately, let's derive a single formula that works for any corner. Take a corner with angle theta. Draw perpendiculars from the centers of the incircle and the smaller circle to either side. This creates 2 right triangles. The incircle has radius 1, the smaller circle has radius r dash. And let the distance from the vertex to the smaller circle center be x. Since the 2 circles touch, the distance to the incircle center is x plus r dash plus 1. Because the centers lie on the angle bisector, both right triangles contain the angle theta by 2. Apply the sine ratio to each triangle, eliminate x, and after a little algebra, we get a beautiful general formula for the smaller circle's radius. Note it only depends on the corner angle. Now comes the satisfying part. Apply the formula to the angle between sides 4 and 5, and we get this radius. Repeat it for the angle between sides 3 and 5, and we get this one. Finally, apply it to the 90-degree corner, and that's where the tiny little circle comes from. It's surprisingly small. Square each radius, multiply by pi, and we have found the areas of all 4 circles inside the 3, 4, 5 triangle. Cheers!